Hi there and welcome back to the channel. My name is Oladimiji Ajigbile in case you're new here, and this is a new series we're starting here on YouTube called Impactful by Design, where we basically talk about everything you need to know about building a personal brand, a strong personal brand in this new digital age. As you probably know, building an impactful personal brand is more critical than ever. It's not just about creating a unique identity, it's also about establishing yourself as an authority in your industry and making a difference in the lives of your audience. But really, how does building an impactful personal brand impact financial freedom? This is what we're going to look at in this video. And speaking of financial freedom, this video is sponsored by YellowCard. I'll talk about them a little bit later in the video. One of the things you first need to understand is that having a strong personal brand sets you apart from the crowd. This is something I always talk about, and for you who's trying to get into the digital space, whether you want to work in tech or build a career as an entrepreneur or creator, this sets you apart and helps you find more opportunities, that helps you to have this social capital that makes people want to work with you or even employ you. When you have a clear personal brand, you will become known for your unique skills, your expertise, which will increase your value in the job market. Now, a very powerful personal brand can open doors for you, especially if you're trying to leverage the already existing skills you have. For example, speaking engagements, consulting opportunities, and partnerships. All of these can ultimately lead to new streams of income for you if you know how to leverage them. I never knew how important this was until I started to put myself out there and I saw how many opportunities I could access just by being myself and building an authentic and powerful personal brand. I've spoken at countless number of events which are quite high profile, and I've been able to get access to a range of top executives in this, creative space. So building the personal brand really helped me to do that. Now, this is a very short video and I'm pretty much just taking you into the foundational knowledge of what you need to understand when building a personal brand. But this last one is quite important. Building an impactful personal brand can also help you establish meaningful connections with other industry leaders and experts. And these connections can lead to collaboration opportunities, mentorship, and so many other things that you've not even explored before. So if you're looking to grow in your career or to get to a level of financial freedom, I think this is something you need to consider. And speaking of financial freedom, let me talk a little bit about our sponsor for today, YellowCard. YellowCard is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers the safest way to buy and sell Bitcoin and also send, receive, and store your crypto in your wallet, as many as you have. It is very secure and simple to use, and it's one of the safest in Africa today. You also get the opportunity to save in stable coins like USDT, and personally I got my own free 2 USDT from YellowCard a couple of days ago and it was really amazing. I think you should try it out. So go to the App Store or Play Store to download the YellowCard app, sign up, and leverage the best cryptocurrency exchange that is safe and easy to use. Now, to you who is trying to build a personal brand and establish yourself as an authority in your field, this is the last words I have for you for today. Building an impactful personal brand is crucial for financial freedom in today's digital age. And by establishing yourself as an authority in your industry, creating new opportunities, and building meaningful connections, you can achieve financial freedom and create the life that you deserve. So start building your personal brand today and take your first step towards financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching this video. More series like this is coming, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so, as I'll be putting out more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.